So the today's first class is related to the our course is related to the software testing. Software testing. Mhm. Normally, what is meant by testing? First, before understanding what is software testing, first we have to understand what is software and what is testing. You all people are graduation people. You all people know what is testing and what is software. You know what is the meaning of testing? Guys, please respond. It should be like an interactive session, okay? Okay. So in our graduation period or any time, normally you will what testing. We have number of the number of times we heard the word like testing. What is test? Testing means testing is nothing but checking. What we have to checking something. What is software test? What is testing? Testing means to check something, whether it is working perfectly or not, or correctly or not, whether it is expected. Sorry, guys. Whether it is working as expected or not, that is what about the testing. What is testing? Testing means to check something. Testing means to check something. To check something carefully. Let me write that sentence. What is testing? Testing means to check something carefully, to check something carefully, to see if it works as expected or not. Or you can write, or you can write correctly or not, something in our normal English. This is about testing. Everyone knows, hey, please test this one, test this one. Why we are testing? Whether it is expected. Whenever we are buying any new object, for suppose we are buying a car, before buying a car, what we will do? We will do that some test drive, how this vehicle is, what they are doing. There we are doing we are checking something. What we are checking something? There we are testing it, how the vehicle comfortability is while driving. In the same way, each and every, suppose you are buying a mobile, you are buying a pen drive, anything if you buy, what happens? First you will check it whether it is working or not. Whenever you buy a mobile, what you will do? In the shop itself, you will open the seal and you will turn on your mobile and you will check it whether it is an original mobile or not, because sometimes we are seeing, we are getting some dummy mobiles. So first we will check it whether it is the original or not, and after that we will turn on the mobile and we will test it. Why we are doing all this? First, because we are confirming it. Before we are confirming it, we are checking something and we are confirming it. So that is what testing means. Testing is one of the part. Then what is software? Okay, sir, you are testing something. Now what is software? What is software? Each and everyone know in our Windows application. Suppose this is my Windows application. What is this application? Paint. Paint. This is an application. This is an application. This is a software. This is a software. Exactly what is software means? It is software is set of instructions. Hey computer, do this. Hey computer, do that. It passes some instructions to the computer or in computer to do something. Who will tell it? Software. What do we have? Some application softwares, system. We have different types of softwares, application softwares and system softwares. Whatever we are using application wise, Now this MS Paint, MS Word, these all are applications. What these applications will do, will tell the will pass the instruction to the computer. Hey computer, do this. Hey computer, do that. Okay, this means software is a brain of a computer. In simple, we can see software is the brain of a computer. Now we are using an application. How we are using that? That is a software application. So software is the brain of computer, which gives the set of instructions to the computer to do something. Now let me write, software is brain of computer that tells the computer, sorry, and passes the set of instructions, passes the set of instructions to the computer what to do. Guys, are you able to understand whatever I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So this is, see, here we have passed two statements. One is testing and one is software. What is testing? Testing means to check something carefully, whether it is working or not. Software means software is the brain of computer and passes the set of instructions to the computer what to do. Now, okay, sir, you said something. One is testing and one is software. Now, what is software testing? What is software testing? Okay, sir. Now, still now we have learned what is software and what is testing. Now we have to come to a conclusion because we have started the course related to the software testing. In the software testing, we have number of types. Before going deep dive into that, first we have to learn what is software testing. Now, here we are doing the testing for the software applications. What is the use? If you do that, what is the use? What is software testing? What is software testing? All what I told you, testing means to check something. Testing means to check something. But what is software testing? Software testing means checking a software applications. Software applications to make sure that these all are working, the functionality is working properly or not. So what is software testing? Software testing means checking a software applications to make sure that whether the application is working as expected or not, or perfectly or not, or correctly or not. What is software testing? Software testing is, software testing means to check, otherwise we can write software testing means checking a software applications, checking a software applications to make sure whether the application is working as expected or not. Software testing means to check something working as expected or not. Guys, here till here you're able to understand?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Okay,
understand, sir. I can understand.
okay, good. Now, what we do with the software testing? We are telling to checking a software applications whether the application is working fine. What we do with the software testing? Okay, we will check something, the software applications, that is fine. What we get if we do the software testing? why we have to do the software testing? The next question is, why we have to do the software testing?
To check the application whether it is work or not.
Yes,
But
that is one answer. Two more, to check more, what we'll do?
To check the errors, we will do software testing.
Yes. Another one is, whenever we do any testing, why we will do it? Only thing is whether the
to check,
application is working expected or that is first thing.
to check the
Okay.
bug.
Yes. Whenever you find anything problem, any issue or any error, first then you will find a bug. That is called a bug. Whenever you found any issue or error, that we called as a bug. Means why we do the software testing? To find a bug. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If if an application or anything, whenever we are testing or whenever we are testing any applications, if we found any error issue, it is officially called as bug. Okay. Let me write the point here. What is bug? While testing your application, while testing your application, if we find any error, or issue, then we officially called it as a bug. Did you agree with this point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, how we know that? Suppose, give me some examples, sir. How we find an issue and how we can find an error or issue in any applications? What is that? Tell me, sir. Suppose you are working on one of the suppose you are working on one of the project. You are in a project. You have to test one functionality. Suppose, let us think you have one application. You are working on one application. Let us hope you are working on application. That application name is, let us see, some ABC shopping application. Otherwise, let us take, Flipkart, guys. Flipkart.
Yes, sir. Flipkart.
Let us take Flipkart application. In the Flipkart application, you have a requirement. Suppose, let us say you have one requirement. That requirement is to check and functionality. To check for functionality, what functionality you have to check is, you have to check a functionality that is add to cart. Add to cart. Guys, this is one example. But you have one requirement in the Flipkart application. You have to check a functionality add to cart. Then what you will do? You will go to the Flipkart application and you will log in, and after that what you will do, you will select any item and you will add, what you will do then? Suppose, let me show here. Guys, are you able to see my page, Flipkart page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me open anything. Okay, let me open this jar, this one. Okay, you're able to see, right? Here you have add to cart. Now what you have done, you logged into the application and you have selected one, whatever you want to purchase, you have selected that, and after that what you will do, you will click on this add to cart button. Then it will, whether you will check it, then you will check it whether this object, whatever the one you want to purchase, whether you can see whether it has added to the carts or not. Here it is added to the cart or not?
Added, sir. Added.
Now means this functionality is working properly. Means there is no issues. Suppose if the same thing you are doing, but you are, and whenever you click on add to cart, let us think Whenever you click on add to cart, it's not work. Add to cart, it's not work.
Yeah.
Then
It's
what
called
you
bug.
will, then it is called, then your application has a problem.
Correct.
Application has a problem. Let me write this point here. Your application checked, sorry, checked add to cart functionality and found the issue, and found that the functionality is not working as expected. Means there was an issue. It's called a bug. Guys, did you agree with this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the called bug. So, sir, what is the use? Sir, you are saying something. What is the use? If we found an issue, or what is the why we have to test, and why? Okay, we found some issue and some bug. Then what is why we have to do that? What if we didn't find? If we, what if we don't do any testing? What happens? If you didn't do the testing, suppose let us think you built one application. Let us hope you are a developer and you built one application. There was no tester. Let me do some give here. Here we have a developer. Let us hope here we have a developer. What this developer is done, developer has built one application. What he done? He built one application. Okay. Now, after that, he built, let me write here, he built an application. After building an application, what happened? Directly, this application has, without testing, this application has been released into the market. Released into the market. Okay, they have released into the market. That was fine. After that, what happened? Released into the market. Now it's now customers. Whenever we released into the market, what happens?
The
We are
customers
the
will complain
users.
will
Yeah.
complain will complain about that developing team.
No, wait. I will tell you. Here the developer. Whenever they release into the market, who will use it? You will use the application. Users. Who are the users? We are the
People.
users.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We start using this application. Okay. 2 days completed. So after 2 days completed, after 2 days, application is not working properly. After 2 days, application is not working properly. Then what happens? Whatever the application this was released, whoever developed the application, who the released in the market, the application is not working properly. Means what happens? People will stop using it.
Definitely, sir.
Yes, what they will do? They will give. We
They
have
will
one
give
option. What that option?
customer complaint.
Users will start giving bad ratings,
And stop using the tab
and
also.
slowly they will stop using it. If this happens, what happens? If they stop using it, what is the next issue?
They will go for some other shopping.
As a company, whoever released it, they will be moving to loss. Okay, company will be in loss or not?
Yes, sir.
And they will lose the reputation. Number of things will happen. Sometimes if anything happens, we know, right? If anything bad happens, what happens? There will be number of trollings. Even for the big applications as well, like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, if anything happens, did you guys know or not? Recently, I think one more time happened in the last 2 to 3 months.
For
Two to
WhatsApp
three
and
months back, WhatsApp got hanged. They were not able to access Instagram for only for 2 minutes. Only for 2 minutes. There are
people.
number of news.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Recently, now 2 days back, did you see that Indigo?
Yes, sir. Indigo.
That much
Yeah.
big company. Okay. But now what happened? Only in 2 to 3 days. What about their reputation?
The name the Indigo
Okay.
plate was damaged, sir. Plate name.
Yes, that was the thing. So whenever, see what happened, this was released into the market without, if we released into the market without testing it. This is what is a big problem. Okay, this is a big problem. That is the reason we have to do the testing. Why testing is important? Testing is important because anyway we know the point. What? Early bug detection. If any issues, we can find it early before release itself. Second one, quality of the software. What happens if you don't provide the quality software? Suppose, did you guys, I hope number of guys have installed number of applications and you have uninstalled it. Why? Because that infrastructure, that ambience of that application, you didn't like it. Otherwise, the quality of the software didn't like it. You may face these many number of things. You may uninstall number of applications in your daily life. Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And one more thing, customer trust. Customer trust also is important. Protect, not customer trust, protect customer trust. Why customer trust is important? Suppose that you have released the application to the market, it is not working well, customer will use it? He will not use it. So the customer also is playing a very important role here. Right?
Yes, sir.
Next, last point is reduces risk. What is risk here? Suppose here I told you the reputation is, the reputation wise, we have to also think if anything happens, people will get troll you. Because now the technology is developed. So is that is the reason what you have to do is you have to check properly. You have to give the quality software because the customer will use it. You have to give a good rating for you. Okay. Now you understood what is software and what is testing, what is software testing, what is bug, why we need to do the testing. Any doubts still here?
No, sir.
Okay, you are good with this then. Guys, I will give you two examples. If the testing has been not done properly, you may think, okay, suppose let us some people, if some people might think testing is not that much required here, you can release into the market. Everything we are going good. Why? Guys, one more thing I will tell you, because in your daily life, suppose if you entered into an IT industry, if you are doing any application testing, I will give you two important examples, real-time examples, how much effect it will take happen if you do any mistake. The first one is, the first real-time example is, bank, everyone bank, right?
Hmm.
Bank. Hello?
Yes, sir. We know.
Everyone know bank? Right? Banking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone have the bank account. Suppose let us think you build one application. They have released one application to the market. You are using that application. You want to send money to one of your friend. You want to send money to some of your friend. You have typed all the details. Your application is not working properly. Then the money will receive to your friend or someone. Yes, please tell me, who will receive that money? Your friend will receive or some other member? Some other member will receive. Why some other member will receive? Why? Because the application which built in the bank is not properly done the testing. Suppose in bank testing, make sure money goes to the right account. Did you agree with this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
The next one, another important one. Suppose you are working for an application, that application that is hospital related. That application is related to the hospital. In hospital, suppose you are checking an application, you have not checked properly. Because now we know, right? ECS, heart patients or anyone, we are getting a digital circuits as per the machines, they are printing it. Right?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Suppose that they have not, now everyone is using the software. They are going slowly, the hospital were slowly they are acquiring these digital things, because the technology has been developed. We have not done the testing. Who affects? Heart patient.
Yes, sir. The hospital name got
Damaged. Testing make sure patient reports. What happens? Patient reports. Suppose let us think patient should have hemoglobin 11. Let us think normally patient should have minimum level 11. The report is not good, not getting the good reports because the application not tested properly. It will show some 4. The doctor will see the report and he will tell, hey, you don't have good hemoglobin, you have to use these medicines. He has already had a good hemoglobin, but doctor has seen the report, he will give the medicine. Then who get affected? Patient got affected.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is the reason, guys. Main I'm telling, not only in bank, in hospital, wherever you work, while testing any application, please make sure that you are testing it properly. Not only if you are entered into the real-time industry also, if you are doing the testing, make sure that you are doing the testing properly. Guys, I will tell you, software testing, to learn software testing is very easy, because these are the basic things in our daily life. Whatever we are using, here also we are using the same thing. We are testing it. In each and every applications, there will be some different story. In bank, we have a story of money. In hospital, we have a story of reports. In education, we have a story of some certifications, or some related to the candidate report card, anything. Suppose in education, let us take an education example. In the education example, student got 100 marks. He has good pass marks. Suppose that he got for 100, he got 90 marks, but the report which generated, it will show 50 marks. Then this story, what parents will see? Parents will see the report card, whatever he says. Parents will see the report card or not? Parents will see the report card and he say, hey, he said 90 marks, but the report card shows only 50 marks. Again, there was a disturbance in the family.
Yes.
So there were number of consequences, guys. So while testing any application, please make sure that you're testing it properly. That much good thing is there while testing. Okay. That is about the real-time example. Yes.
Sir, in mobile application also, in Play Store we are searching any applications, any apps like that. So much of software now still knows in mobile.
We have, right? In mobile applications, there are number of mobile applications. In our mobile, we will use normally few applications, right? But in our Play Store, there are lakhs of applications are there. In that lakhs of applications, their number of applications are there, crashed applications only. I don't know why they have created, how Play Store has given the permission to get into this permission. There are a number of things. So that is the reason why before downloading the applications, people are become more educated. Now people are watching reviews. They are checking each and everything. Sir. Then only they are taking then only they are going with they are installing it. If they want to install any application, first what they will do, they will go and they will check the rating. Okay, rating 4.5 something. They will check the comments and they will go to the YouTube videos and Google comments. Everything they will check it, and then only they will start installing it. If it is good, the application is good, then they will use it. If the application is not good, what they will do? We will uninstall it. Once we uninstall it, again we will not install it again and again. Again, we install whenever it will popular. It should get popular. Everyone should use again, and it should get popular. Then only again we will install it. That is the reason testing is very important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Now till now it's fine. You search testing bug. What is the test? Why testing is important? You tell real time examples, sir. Then testing has been, software testing has been divided into two types. Software testing divided into two types. What does the two types?
It's automation and manual and automation testing.
Yes, it is manual and automation. Manual and automation. Manual testing and automation testing. Everyone know these how two types? Because everyone will
Yes.
talk whenever,
Be-
if we go anyone ask testing, you know testing, okay, you learned automation or manual? You worked on automation or manual testing, they will ask. Now, guys, here one more point. If you learn only manual testing, getting a job is difficult. If you are in luck, suppose you got some good opportunity, you will get into the manual testing. Getting the job is the manual testing is, we don't have that much opportunities. Okay, so everyone will ask, if you done, did you have knowledge of the automation testing? There are some jobs without automation testing, but less. So most of the people, they will ask for the automation testing, because now the technology has been developed. Now no one want to do the repetitive work again and again manually. That is the reason they want, because anyway we will do the manual testing in our applications. To check again and again, we will not do the manual testing, we will go for the automation testing. That is the reason automation testing is playing the major role. Okay.
Sir, in automation testing,
Yeah.
what kind of software tool is used nowadays? Modern.
Nowadays there are two. Nowadays actually Java Selenium tool they are using. Recently they were using, some companies have started using Playwright.
Yes, most of the companies using Playwrights, I think
Yeah,
so.
now recently has, because I will tell you, earlier people was using Selenium only. Now itself they are using Selenium. But
Okay.
nowadays, now like last 5 to 6 months, people are slowly started using the Playwright, and now everyone says Playwright, Playwright, Playwright.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now recently that
Yes,
has been
slow.
started.
Yeah.
And in our
Okay, sir.
course, first we will teach first we will teach with Selenium. After all completion of the course, manual and automation, as a bonus we are going to explain the Playwright. After completion of all the course of the manual automation classes of this 45 days, then we are going to start Playwright. We are giving some 1 week of explanation of all the classes related to the Playwright. We will give some idea what is
Okay.
Playwright and how we can do that, what are the components we are there in the Playwright. That idea we will provide you, so that you can add the Playwright thing in the resume. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So guys, this is about the today's class. Okay. And the thing was, whoever has newly joined, want to join the, I will tell you one more thing here. Like this course is total of 15,000 rupees. Course is, first you need to pay some 6,599 at starting. Further, after that, after the job placement, after the job placement only, you need to pay remaining amount 9,000 rupees. And what are the things we will give? We will have the mock interviews here. I will provide the diary, whatever I'm writing on the note, MS Word Paint, I will provide you that one, as well daily class notes, and as well I will provide the complete PDF notes with interview questions. And one more thing, after completion of the manual testing itself, I will start taking the mock interviews. For every week, I will take the mock interviews. Till you go with perfectly, I will take the mock interviews for you. Mock interviews as well, and resume preparation, I will take care. You don't worry about the resume preparation as well. And interview guidance, when I will taking the mock interviews itself, I will provide the interview guidance, how you have to give the answer, for what type of questions you need to, how you need to respond for the type of questions. I will give the guidance for you. Don't worry about that. Okay. I will take care of all the things. some people, if you don't have the proper communication skills, if you people don't have certain good communication skills, I will provide some classes on communication skills, how to talk in interview or how to talk in our daily life in the IT industry. That I will only take care. Everything will comes only under this only. You don't need to pay any extra money for this interview guidance or communication skills, anything. After all that, final thing is I will provide the job support. Everything from my end, I will take. Only thing you have to do, you people have to do is, trust me guys, only you have to follow my classes and you have to do the whatever assignments I am providing you, you have to complete that on time. If you make it any delay, if you are not joined the classes properly, it will affected you, because from February onwards, you will the opportunities more, you will get the opportunities more and more. By February itself, you have to be ready for the job. There should be a job in your hand. In that way, take it as. Okay. Do you have any questions? And here we are going to use the tool for automation testing. Here we are using the tool that is Selenium, and the programming language we are using, that is Java. Guys,
we need,
yes.
sir, we need to learn full Java, sir. Like
No. That's what I'm saying. Whenever we are going to Java, we are programming language, no need to worry. We are learning the few. We need to learn the basic knowledge of. We should have the basic knowledge of Java. What is method? What are loops? What are conditions? These things you have to know, because while writing automation testing, minimal codes, guys, you will not have any whatever the code application code that will be developed by the developer. You will not write any code. Only code, that is repetitive code, you have to write in the code. Whatever the code has been written by the developer, you will take into your local. You will write only that one. How to execute that code in the browser. That code only you will write. That is the repetitive task. I am telling you, that is repetitive task. No more logics. Okay. It is not like you have to stay in before the system for hours more than and working hours, and you have to think more and more. Not needed. That is a simple logic you have to. I am telling you, that is a simple logic and repetitive task you will do. Automation testing means what? The testing should be done automatically using the browser. Using the browser means you have to write the logic, same logic again and again to test in the browser as per our application. Manual testing means you are doing it manually. You are checking the functionality by your manually. Did you understand the difference? Simple difference, guys. Software, I'm telling you once again, software testing is very easy. Here you will learn the Java basics. No need to learn the Java programming language in depth.
Sir, I'm coming from mechanical background. Is there any issues to enter into IT field, sir?
No issues, guys. See, now people are not seeing which background you have studied. Okay. They are just going through the knowledge, skills. You have the skills. Okay, come to the IT industry. Now you see, now don't think only the software people, CS who have taken the CSE in the BTech graduation, only those people are not only entering into the IT industry. The mechanical people and chemical engineering.
Yes.
Is chemical engineering people and software people is any relation?
No, sir, no.
One of my friend is in the chemical engineering. Now he's earning more money in the software industry.
Sir,
and mechanical peoples, because my friends are there in different branches. Now, other than CSE, ECE, EEE, and mechanical people, EEE, mechanical and chemical engineering people are doing jobs in the software industry.
So one more question.
Yeah.
Sir, compared to mechanical industry and others, what is the opportunity in IT industry, sir? What is the
Again, come again once.
Sir, if I enter into IT industry, the career will after some more years. What is the scope of that industry, sir? IT industry about?
Means suppose if
What
you
is,
want to, suppose you are the mechanical engineer, and if you wanted, what is the means how it will be? You are asking.
yeah, sir. What is the growth of IT future in?
See, as of now, we know, right? AI is developing a more.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
That's only.
everyone is using the technology.
Yes.
Everyone is using the technology. Now, while we are just waking up, just what we are doing, we are watching our mobile, right? We are taking our mobile, and what any notifications are there, we are checking everything.
Yes.
And one more thing, most of the people have one more doubt, like we have the AI now, we may lose the job. Guys, I will tell you, even the AI application is released in the market with testing or without testing.
With testing, sir.
With the testing means who will do the testing?
Software testing
People, anyway, we have to do the testing.
by ourselves only.
Yes. Anyway, guys, I will tell you, developer, tester, AI will cannot replace. Suppose
Yes,
if you want to build a project, you will ask to ChatGPT, go and ask, hey, give me this project. It will give you the project. Okay, let us see, give the project. But who will have to import that code? Who has to fix any issues? The ChatGPT will come and fix it. Human need, right?
And yes.
Yes, that's why. See, for suppose I will tell you, suppose you have 100 jobs, suppose let us think ChatGPT has taken 10 jobs. So what about 90 jobs? 90 jobs human have to do, right?
Yes.
Yes, that is the way. But if anyone asks me the questions, AI will replace? No, I will tell no.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, guys, I will tell you, I have total 7 years of IT industry experience. Okay. And one more thing, I am from which background, you know?
No, don't know.
I completed the graduation, and I'm not from the CSC or IT background.
Okay.
I am from electrical and electronics engineering.
Okay, sir. Okay.
With passed out of 76%. Okay. That is now I'm from the Triple E. Now I'm teaching classes. Why? I have learned. I focused on more things. Whenever I get an opportunity, I started working on it.
Sir, what's the current proportion, sir? Are you working in IT, any sector, IT industry, sir?
Yes, currently I'm working in IT industry as a Java developer. Earlier I used as a tester. Now I'm currently working I got an opportunity as a developer. I learned these things. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So that's why I am an example for the question. I am from the Triple E background.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But only thing is your mind and your heart should say whether you should focus or not. If you get focused, everything is fine. You will be on the track.
Yes, sir. Because I already working in Ashok Leyland company as a trainee. But there is a lot of pressure in that company. Just 12-hour shift. This low salary, more works, and that's.
That will be a big problem, guys. Here, but while coming to I'm stopping.